I know it's spooky season, but like, do y'all see this sorcery? Like, wow, look at the okay, I'm sorry, I'm really feeling this. Today, it's the wig, girl. I did film the very first time I did the stocking cap method. That video is on my channel, but I feel like I could have done some things better. So we're trying it again in this video, and I'm honestly so happy with how this came out. Like, do y'all see? First of all, peep the body. Okay, y'all see this? This is easily the best. Oh, my setting powder is like now blended. This is easily my favorite wig I've ever worn, I've ever worked with. And I'm so excited for you guys to see this little step by step. Again, I'm not going anywhere today, but I wish I was, because we are laid and slayed, girl. All right, so if you'd like to learn more about this hair and how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So before we get started, I am going to do a little mini unboxing for you guys. I did post this on my Instagram story. Look how beautiful the hair comes packaged. Wow, like this alone tells me that we are about to receive some quality hair inside of here. Inside the box, you do receive a wig cap. You also get a little thank you note and the hair card info. So I have the Brazilian virgin hair. This is a body wave texture, 18 inches, natural color, 130% density. I have the cap construction 4.5 inches. It is a cap size medium, which I'm shook because normally I'm a small, but this fits amazing. There is a pre-plucked hairline like I showed you guys. There's also bleached knots, which is something I don't think I've ever had on a wig. If I did, maybe like 1 or 2. Not a majority of the wigs I receive are do have bleached knots. So I like this because it makes it easier to blend with your scalp, or if you're doing the wig cap method like I'm about to show you, it makes it blend so much easier. So thank you, RiriHair, for that. They also threw in this gorgeous gold detangling brush. I only have one other one of these, and they do work really well for detangling your wig. I do have a pink one, so now she has a sister. All right, y'all, so since the wig has a side part, I decided to just put my hair at a side part, and I did 1 braid, or was it 2? 1 or 2 braids, and I just bobby pinned it in the back so it lays really flat back there. So step 2, you're gonna grab your Got2b Ultra Glue. This is the black bottle, and I'm just taking a pretty decent sized amount and putting that all around my hairline. When I first did this, I think I did it a little far from my hairline because I didn't want it touching my baby hairs, but this time I got a little bit closer, which works with getting the wig closer to my actual hairline. That way it doesn't look like it's literally sitting on my forehead. So we're just putting that around the hairline, and then I'm also taking my Got2b spray, the free spray, and I'm putting that on top of it. I'm also kind of getting that on my hair. It is freshly washed hair, so it wasn't laying super flat because it's not very greasy yet. So I'm spraying all that, and then I'm just going to blow dry the product. You want it to be tacky. You don't want it to be super dry, obviously, because then it's not going to stick. And then I'm going to take my light tan wig cap and apply that on top. Pull it down over your ears, over your eyeballs. It might hurt a little bit, but you're about to cut it off anyway. So once you've got that set, we are just going to take some more of the free spray and spray that on top of the wig cap. So it's kind of making a sandwich. And once you've got all of that down in place, you are going to take your blow dryer again. And you do want it to be hard this time. You want it to be dry. You do not want it to be tacky. We are going to add some more product on top of this, but this is to make sure you get that nice egg head shape. So yeah, make sure you've got all of that dried down. Everything is solid and ready to go. All right, girl, now that we're solid, we're just going to chop all of that off. I did not get some new scissors. If you watch my last video of me doing this, I told you my scissors got kind of funky and I needed some new ones because they're not cutting very well. And yeah, I never got some new ones. But so you'll see me struggling a little bit trying to cut this, but I did lift it as close as I could to the hairline without having any of my natural hair out. And I just chopped all of that excess fabric off. Once all of that is cut, you will see a few little extra pieces that kind of roll up. They're not glued all the way down, so I'm just taking some more of my Ultra Glued in the black bottle, and I'm using that to roll that back down, and then we're just going to blow dry that again to make sure it's all like a smooth texture and flat. Now this is the part when people will normally take a makeup wipe or like alcohol wipe or something and get that extra glue off of their forehead. I do not have any wipes, so I just use water, which works as well. So if you don't have wipes, just use water. Make sure you don't get that water onto what you just glued down though, because you don't want it to lift again. Hold up, drink break. Alright, so next I'm taking my True Match powder. Last time I did a liquid foundation and powder on top, and I didn't really like how it looked. So this time I'm just using my pressed powder, and I'm putting that on top of the lace a little bit by my hairline. You don't really need to go like all over where your hair is, but do what you want. I didn't. I just did it kind of at the front. And there you have it, girl. Humpty Dumpty ain't got nothing on you, sis. Nothing. Alright, so this is the wig we are using today. As you can see, the knots are bleached. It is like a body wave texture. We are going to go back in and touch that up because the curls aren't that defined. They don't look too good. But we are going to clean that up, so it's all good. Inside of the cap is something I have never seen before. It's like the back of a bra, but as the elastic band in the wig cap, which I thought was really interesting. You also get 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, as well as some adjustable straps. So as you can see, the hair is laying as flat as we could get it. I did adjust the elastic band on the inside, and then we just applied that wig like so. I did use the bottom comb for once. I rarely use those, but I did use that to lock it all in. And as you can see, there are some baby hairs here, which you might be a fan. Knock yourself out. I wasn't a huge fan. As you see later, I kind of pull them out. But yeah, once you've got the wig on your head, just make sure you've got it all situated to your liking. Make sure the parting is how you like it, girl. Once you've got the hairline all lined up, you are going to go ahead and cut that front lace off. This is something I normally do before I even put the wig on my head, but I did want to switch it up today, and I think I like this method. So from now on, I'm probably going to apply the wig first and like see how I like it before cutting the lace off, because I just get so excited. I get the wig, I open it, cut the lace off. Like, that's normally what I do. But now I'm going to wait till I get it on my head to cut the lace off. I don't know if my camera died or what, but I cannot find the clip of me gluing it. But anyway, all I used was that spray again. I just put a little tiny bit at the edge of where I cut that lace off, and then I just blow dried it down. So it's really simple. I just don't know where the clip went. So once you do that, I am playing around with the parting a little bit. We are about to start styling, girl. As I said, the bleach knots really help everything blend, so you don't have to worry about concealer. You don't have to worry about trying to make that blend with your head when you got to use all these other different things. So I recommend bleaching your knots. I've never done it personally, but these wigs do come with bleach knots, so that works out very well. So once all of that is situated, I am just using my flat iron to style my hair today. I am straightening up by the part because we want that to lay as flat as possible. And then I'm just going in and doing some typical curls around the hair. I am taking my handy dandy flyaway stick to make sure those flyaways are laying flat and down. And for the baby hairs, if you like your baby hairs, go ahead, style the baby hairs. I honestly just wasn't a huge fan of them on this unit, so I did just pull them out as opposed to cutting them or plucking them. I don't even have tweezers, to be honest. So yeah, I just pulled them out, and I like this look a little bit better, but I'm sure baby hairs could look cute too. I don't know. I pulled them out. Once you've done that, you can just go back in and touch up any of the curls that you have. I didn't really trim the ends of the hair, but I did cut some layers around my face just to frame my face a little bit better. And that helps to add the body and the movement in the hair as well. Once you're all done with that, you can just take any hairspray you have to hold the curls and add that extra bounce. So that is all for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to RiriHair for sending me this gorgeous unit. Honestly, I'm not just saying this, it's the best unit I have tried. So I will have all the links in the description box below. Be sure to check that out. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.